Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'll show you how to make a hassle-free akara, also known as beans ball. I call this hassle-free because you don't have to start going through the process of washing, peeling and blending your beans. We'll be using this homemade beans flour made by your very own Mrs. Brown. Just in case you don't know how to make this, I'll be leaving the link to the video in the description box. Moving on, I'm going to peel off some parts of the onions and I'll set it aside. I'll show you what to do with it later. Get your blender, throw in your onions, your shombo. I've gone ahead to deseed the shombo and add your habanero pepper, add some water to aid the blending process, cover and blend for a few seconds. Grab a bowl, add some beans flour depending on the quantity you're making. To that, add your blended mixture, rinse your blender with some water and mix until there are no lumps. Add your water in bits so you end up with the accurate consistency. For the regular akara, you should be looking at this very consistency, but because I love my akara flat and soft, I'll be adding a little bit more water. Add some salt and stir properly. In your heated oil, add some onions and allow it to fry for 60 seconds or more for the flavor to infuse, and go ahead and drop your butter into the oil in bits. Remember to add little quantity at a time so that the temperature of your oil won't drop. Fry the akara for 2 to 3 minutes and then flip to the other side. I'm so sorry, my camera was paused, so what I did was just to flip to the other side after frying the first side for 2 minutes and fry until it's brown and nicely cooked. Then you remove it from the oil. So because I'm making the akara for the whole family, I'm frying them in batches. Just fry for 2 minutes and flip to the other side, just like that until you are done. Don't forget to hit on that red subscribe button, leave a comment, give it a thumbs up, share with family and friends, tell a friend to tell a friend so we can take this ministry to the permanent site. Forgive my manners, I laugh a lot. Now go ahead and enjoy your akara or beans ball, whichever one you call it, with your pap, oatmeal, custard, white agidi, name it. You can actually eat it as a meal on its own. But as for me and mine, we'll be devouring our hot akara or beans ball with this ogi made from a homemade pap powder. Just in case you are interested, check the description box for the video. I love you all. Bye bye.